Good morning. As you can see by the weather, it's a sunny day, and I've test fit the a few panels from the seat cowl. But today's job is putting this wiring loom back on. And making sure that it fits. I might fit the fairing bracket and the stays and just see how it all sort of fits together. So that is what we're going to do today. Okay, well, I didn't video any of this because it was absolutely boring, but I've had to set up the fairing stays and just mock everything up and just make sure now that I can take the fairing off now and everything's locked in position, so I can remove the fairing, the tank and that, route the wiring loom and forget about the position of these. So yeah, it's probably taken me best part of an hour and a half maybe. But yeah, it's looking good. It's getting there. Okay, so I didn't film the majority of this because I was in the zone and I wanted to get stuff done. So the wiring loom is sort of semi fitted at the minute, hand controls are on, clutch cable, throttle cable's in, that just needs rerouting. Carburetor snaps back nice. ECU, I can't remember where it fits. I want to say it goes on that bracket there, but I'm not 100%. Not 100% on that one. Carburetor's on, gaskets are on, everything's tight. Fairing stays are on. These are tightened up. So, and then I'm going to have to mount the regulator. Front forks are on. Not sure whether to run the mud guard or not. I'll wait till it's all built up. Lambda sensor, which is pointless now because I'm running carburetor, and horn loom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of the horns and I'm going to tuck it up there out of the way so you can't see it, so it's a bit less cluttered on the front. Battery box is in, relays are kind of fitted to a certain degree. Not sure on the wiring at the minute on the starter motor. Gonna have to look into that a little bit more. And no, that is for the kickstarter. That's for the kickstand. That, not sure. Ah, there. Goes on there. So yeah, these are all injector fuel pump. And then we've got a few underneath here. Then your backlights. And we've got a few relays. We've got a tilt sensor as well, I think. Can't remember where that goes. I'm pretty sure it went somewhere like that under the seat. Maybe like that. Who knows? I'll have to figure that out. So yeah. So handlebars are on. There's just for a simple air-cooled single cylinder bike, there's a lot of electronics on this. Too much for my liking. So yeah, I'm going to come back to it at another point because I've spent about 4 hours on it today to get it to this point. Fairings all fit fine. Yeah, what I'm going to do is, because I cut a big hole in the side panel, which I'm going to put, I've got no fans, but I'm going to put mesh around that bit there, and that obviously that'll be there. I'm gonna try and mount the regulator here because I'm not running an airbox, and the regulator goes on the back of the so I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, that's enough waffling on today. Cheers.